Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a beginner and want to learn polygel nail extension, this tutorial is perfect for you. Today I will be using the Beetles Poly Gel Kit to show you the complete process step by step. First, I am starting with clean bare nails because proper nail preparation is the key to long lasting extensions. Now I am applying a small amount of polygel inside the dual form using a brush dipped in slip solution. I am spreading the gel evenly for a smooth and natural look. Next, I will carefully place the dual foam onto my natural nail and gently press it down. Make sure there are no air bubbles for the best result. Now it's time to cure the nail under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Once it's fully cured, I will gently remove the dual foam. Look at that, it's already taking shape beautifully. Next, I will file and shape the nail to give it a clean salon quality finish. Finally, I will apply a glossy top coat and cure it one last time. And here's the final result. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me know in the comments what tutorial you would like to see the next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Blooming Nails by Ash.